it's Mobile Max. I'm in West Hollywood, 310-804-4185. I'll come to you. Specialize in West Hollywood, West LA area, mobile auto repair, diagnose. Check out that car you're going to buy. 310-804-4. Anyway, I've got 8P0959801Q, the ECM power motor for a driver's side Audi A3, 2012 Audi A3 ECM power window motor, $85. 310-804-4185. 2012, or actually probably works 10 to 12 Audi A3 driver's front door. The ECM power window motor assembly, $85. 310-804-4185. Call or text 310-804-4. You also get the plug too, by the way. You got 2 plugs there I'm going to throw in on the deal in case you damage them. 310-804-4185. Power window motor ECM 12 Audi A3. Very low miles, by the way. Like, shit, 50,000 miles. $85. Thank you.